Hello guys, welcome to this session. In last session we have seen that how our web application is insecure, means it is vulnerable to attack. Let's once again try to understand that why the application is vulnerable. So for that I am running the application once again. It will start the Spring Boot loading, and along with that it will start the Tomcat server on the port number 8080. Now let's open the Google Chrome. Here I will type localhost colon 8080. So my application is getting open. Now here, if you will see, if you observe the URI, the symbol before the URI, this one, that will give you the site information. Okay, so let's click on that, and here you can observe that our connection to this site is not secure. Why it is so? Because we haven't installed any SSL or TLS certificate for this web application. If you will open any other web application, let me open the web application. charuset.ac.in, and I am hitting enter. So for this application, here you can see there is a lock symbol before the URL of this web application. Okay, and if I click on this URL, it shows me that connection is secure, means for this website the digital certificate is installed. And if you will see over here that certificate is installed, you can click on the certificate and you can get the information about the certificate. Okay, so in this lecture we are going to create the digital certificate that we will post on our web application. The digital certificate that we are going to create is a self-signed digital certificate. That means this particular certificate is not signed by any other trusted third party. Okay, so let's start. To install the digital certificate, I require to run one command which is known as the key tool command. Okay, so for that, first let me stop this application execution. I will go to the terminal. Okay, and I require to move to the directory of our simple login web application. So right now I am not in this particular directory. Okay, so how can I go to that directory? So for that I require to right click on the simple login, click on show in local terminal, select terminal, and here you can see it has opened our working directory of the project. So here at this place I am going to type a command that will create the digital certificate for us. Okay, so command starts with the key tool, following by the option that is generate key pair space. We have to specify the alias. The alias would be the another name of your digital certificate. So I am choosing the name that is TEM SSL cert. Okay, this is my alias name. Then I supposed to specify the algorithm that will be used to generate this key, and the algorithm is the RSA algorithm that we are going to use for our demonstration. So the option is key algorithm, that is KEYALG, and the algorithm name, that is RSA. Then I supposed to provide the key size, and here in this case I'm choosing the key size, that is 4028. Then I have to specify the format of the digital certificate. So for that I will specify the argument, that is store type. PKCS12. This is the particular certificate type that Java understands. Then I have to specify the SSL file name with the help of argument, that is key store followed by name of my certificate. So here I am providing a name of my certificate, that is my SSL cert.p12 extension. Then last option that I can specify is the validity, that is the lifetime of the digital certificate. Let's choose for 10 years. Okay, then hit enter. Here it asks me for the password. This password will be used by the web server when you deploy this application on the machine. So here I am choosing a password. Then it will ask the few information for which the digital certificate is getting created. Okay, so I have to provide some information related to the organization or some person for whom I am creating this digital certificate. So here let's say we are creating a certificate for Coder Sage. So I am providing a name, that is Coder Sage. Name of the organization unit, let me give the name of my organization, CSPID, and my organization name, that is Charusat, and here I have to provide the city, that is Changa, state Gujarat, and country code IN, and hit enter. So it will confirm the details which we have specified, that is the name Coder Sage, then organization unit CSPIT, organization Charusat, locality Changa, state Gujarat, and the country in. As all the information are correct, so I have to specify yes over here. So it will generate the certificate for me. So here you can see the message that it has generated the 2048-bit RSA key pair and self-signed certificate, okay, with the SHA-256 algorithm, okay, which has a validity of 3650 days. So where my certificate gets created? So if you will refresh your project directory, let's refresh my project directory by doing right click on that, select refresh, and here you can see my digital certificate has been created. Okay, so now the next thing is that I need to specify few information in my application so that this particular certificate would be used by my application. So